Hi everyone, I've got a fantastic opportunity here today on Salle Way to show you this beautiful presented detached property. Now coming through the front of the property here, we've got a welcoming entrance hallway and a very spacious and convenient downstairs WC here. And going through into the kitchen, we've got a kitchen dining area here which has been presented really lovely. You can see we've got feature downlights there, and then we've got a modern fitted kitchen, mixture of wall and base units here, plenty of storage and natural light overlooking the rear garden as well there. You can see you've got a fantastic size, perfect family home. And then coming over here, we've got our living room, again very good size. Got a living space here and an office down towards the bottom. And then out back of the property we have this beautiful low maintenance rear garden, access around the side, and we've got the driveway as well to the front, mixture of later lawn, grass and decking as well there. Nice high fencing, keeping it nice and private and secure at the back. And now coming back through the property up to the first floor, we have three very good sized bedrooms, an ensuite and a family bathroom. We are in Salle Way in Salford. Got lots of fantastic local schools nearby, transport links as well. And then we're coming into, this is the third bedroom, which is overlooking the rear garden. Got a really great size. And then coming through here into the second bedroom, you can see you've got a good size yet again. Property is all double glazed and fully gas central heated throughout. You can see we've got beds in each of the room, and then still plenty of space then for additional storage and wardrobes. Family bathroom suite, which is a 3-piece suite and a shower over the bath. And then we have this gorgeous master bedroom. Again, lots of space, lots of storage space here, multiple wardrobes, drawers, and then a bed in the middle. And then completing the first floor, we have our ensuite. So we've got a shower room here, shower, toilet and sink. If you would like to view this gorgeous property, please give our office a call on 0161 707 4900.